No.
No, he's down fixing it.
Okay. I'm opening my Kinder
This smells
Joy.
like body odor.
You.
It's not me.
Katie, I think you didn't put on deodorant.
Shut up, I did.
I'm just kidding.
Okay.
I smell like deodorant.
Kinder Joy. I'm unboxing. Wow, my hair is freaking psycho.
Also, we're outside for a split second, so I don't think any of us.
Okay, I'm unboxing it. So, oh, it's really hard. Okay. It just opens. And then there's this little spoon inside. And so I don't know which side is which. So this one, this one is definitely the food. Okay, we're gonna open. Oh shoot, it's a toy. Lame.
Spiders.
I don't even know. We're not gonna put that together because that's gonna be a little difficult. So, okay, so this side's the food. Ooh, let's open it. Goals, life goals, life goals. Looks kind of gross, not gonna lie. It smells like a chip. Scared.
Hurry.
It looks so gross.
I'll try it.
Has Nutella. That's Nutella.
Wait, let me try it.
Okay, that's it. They're delicious.